Hey guys, welcome back. This week's video is just a short montage of some of the things that I saw at a gun show this weekend. It didn't seem to cater much to competitive shooters, but no matter, it was still a good time. There were many handguns, some rifles, some shotguns, and a lot of other stuff too, including optics, knives, tasers, lights, armor, targets, collectibles, souvenirs, there are war relics, even swords, axes, of course food, always jerky there, a few cute dogs I was glad to see, and much more. I ended up picking up some less than common AR-15 mags at cheaper than online prices, fortunately, and then I mostly hunted for a decent deal on more 9mm to feed to my M&P over the next few months. All in all, grand old time, and for sticking around for this week's video, have a bonus video clip from our jog today with our own puppeh. Peace.